Hello students, welcome to our Maths is Fun series by Mr. Justin, where we handle mostly set questions in both paper 1 and paper 2 Kcse, and both in section 1 and section 2. Today we want to handle this question that is mostly set from commercial arithmetic to do with the taxable income, that is the pay, and what we call the net salaries. So in today's question we are going to learn a question whereby we are given the net tax, that is the pay. Then we go back to calculating the monthly basic salary of a certain given employee and her monthly net salary. So many of these questions when we are given the taxable income, whereby we use the taxable income to calculate the gross tax, then the net tax, that is the pay. But in this question, it is the reverse. It is a reverse process of calculating the basic salary, starting from the pay. So I hope you are going to have this question and write it very fast, because my board is very small. I'm going to use the board to see on how we calculate this question. We are given the taxable pays, that is these slabs. Then we are given the rates, that is 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. That is these differences are given here. Kindly pause the video and write down this question very fast, this part of the slabs, because I would like it that when I solve it, we also do it together. So take a minute and do that very fast. You can just pause the video or take a screenshot, write the question. Then in your working space, as you follow the video, you are also going to try and do your personal work. Now, back to the question. I want us to solve this question in this way. Allow me to clean this part, because I'm very sure you've written down this question. Now, before we go into the slabs part, let us learn of some of the formulas. Some formulas that we apply here is taxable income is equal to basic plus allowances. That is the first formula. The other formula is that net tax, that is the pay, is equal to gross tax minus relief. The net salary is equal to taxable income, we minus the pay, we minus the deduction. And now in this question we are given the pay as 4,312 shillings. We go back to finding the gross tax. So from this formula, pay is gross tax minus relief. So definitely gross tax is going to be pay plus the relief. Relief given there is 1062. So when you do that, you get 4 plus 1062, get 53. 5374. 5374. this is what we should be obtaining from the slabs. The slabs that are given in the taxable income table that is having those rates. So very fast to the slabs. To the slabs, we have in the first slab the difference is 9,608 times 10 over 100, you get 968 shillings. Remember, this is the income, then this is the tax. Then in the second slab, the difference is 18,800 minus 9,680. You get 9,120 times 15 over 100. It gives you 1368. And the third slab, the difference is 27,920 minus 18,800. You get 9120 times 20 over 100. You get 1824. Then when you're doing this question, this part of the tax, the sum is supposed to give you this value of 5374. This is the gross tax. So after doing for some, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 slabs, you can add up to here and find what gross tax are you having. So you can add 968 plus 1368 plus 1824, you get 4160. If you say maybe if you calculate in the next slab, the difference is going to be 37040 minus 27920. You get 9120 times 25 over 100 times 25 over 100. You get 2280. Now I'm saying that if you do for the next slab, you get 2280. If you add here 2280, you get 0, 4, that is 6, this is 4, then this is 6. You get 6440, which is far above 5374. So it means the income of this person, it lies between this slab. So we are going to tell ourselves that let the difference between this slab and this slab, let us not call it 9120. Now let us call it a certain value. Why? That if we multiply it with a 25 over 100, should give us the balance. Now let us eliminate this. Should give us this 53, that is 5374 minus 4160. So the tax that should be obtained from the last slab should be the balance. We had 5374, we minus what we have in the previous slabs, we will get to 5374 minus 4160, you get 1214. So 0.25 1214. So to get y, divide by 0.25, it is 4856. That is 4,856. So finally the taxable income. Now the taxable income becomes 9680 for these slabs plus 9120 plus 9120 plus 4856. And you add that plus 9680 plus 4856 plus 9120, you get 32. $32,776. Then now finally the basic salary is going to be 32,776. We minus the allowances. The allowances for this person were 15,220. That is minus 15,220. You get 17,556. That is for part A. Then for part B, net salary net pay or net salary is going to be the taxable income. The taxable income we've gotten it here. Sorry, I don't know where this 37 is coming from. That's 2,776. We minus the pay. The pay we had it from the beginning of the question as 4312. Minus the deductions when you have all the deductions together. 320 plus 200 plus 500 is 1020. That is 32,776 minus 4312 minus 1020. Get now that is it. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. Follow the tutorial carefully, step by step, and I believe you are going to pass this mathematics and you are going to understand this question better. Look for more questions from textbooks and revision papers. Try and attempt them and do work. You can contact me via 0703315678 for more lessons, tutorials, and skills. See you in the next lesson. Bye.